Hello, I'm Thomas from VetTech Innovation and I'm very happy that we are a sponsor of this year's edition of the IEEE International Conference on Nanomaterials, Applications and Properties. First, I would like to thank the organizers for giving us the opportunity to introduce our company here. And if you're working in the research field of brilliant light scattering, you might already know us since we offer turnkey brilliant microscopy setups, which are already being used in many labs all over the world. And you can see actually a body of such a microscope right next to me. The background for the brilliant light scattering originates from the fact that all our company founders have a very strong background in the research field of magnonics, and many of us have worked in the research group of Professor Burkhard Hillebrand in Kaiserslautern, and actually Professor Burkhard Hillebrand is also a partner of this company. But these microscopes are not only being used for brilliant light scattering, but for example also for Raman scattering or time-resolved Kerr effect measurements, or even the optical detection of magnetic resonance using nitrogen vacancy sensors. And for these microscopes, we offer the full package, starting from the beginning with the choice of third-party hardware, a powerful control software with pattern recognition algorithms to compensate long-term drifts, and we will even set up everything, all the components, right in your lab. So if you're interested in any microscopy setup, you find more details on our hardware on our homepage, or please contact us directly via email in case you have any questions. Besides the hardware and the servers for any microscopy setup, we also offer a very powerful lab automation framework which is called VetTech OS. This framework allows you to basically automate any measurement setup, and it's used already for various techniques such as the detection of the ferromagnetic resonance using a VNA or lock-in techniques or temperature-dependent measurements, but also for many other applications. The following video will introduce this automation framework in a bit more detail, and you can also find the video on our YouTube channel. For more details on any of our products, be it hardware or software, please visit our homepage, or in case of any questions, just contact us directly via email. And with this, I would like to wish you a very nice conference with many fruitful discussions, and I hope to see you soon again.
Working in research is all about stepping into unknown territory and investigating new phenomena. Often, this means that there is no commercially available system to perform the required investigations. Instead, different devices have to be combined for the experimental measurement setup, each performing different tasks at a given time. Even though the devices might allow for remote control, combining the devices to follow a specific measurement routine requires a lot of programming and can be a time-consuming task, especially since documentation of the measurements as well as unified file formats between setups need to be considered. The automation framework VetTech OS was explicitly designed for such scenarios. The modular concept is based on simple software modules for each device used in the measurement, which connect to the VetTech OS software. Once connected, all available functions of each device will appear in the VetTech OS interface and can be used in a measurement routine. To set up a measurement, just drag and drop the desired functions into the process definition tree. Sort them in the required order and set the desired output values. By indenting the functions, loops can be created, which allows for complex and multidimensional measurements. In this example, both traces of the oscilloscope would be obtained for every current value set at the power supply. In analogy, any combination of other functions and devices can be used, making VetTech OS the perfect solution for all your labs, providing the same user interface and features at every setup. When starting the measurement, VetTech OS will also take care of the documentation. All current parameters of all devices will be stored in the measurement file, which is in the open source HDF5 file format. In addition, VetTech OS allows you to insert additional parameters, comments, and various metadata to link the measurement, for example, to a specific structure on a sample, a measurement setup, or a user. During the measurement, the acquired data can be plotted in real time. Also, VetTech OS keeps you posted via email if any problems occur or user interactions are required. Once the measurement is finished, the measurement is added to a database. Here, all measurements can be sorted, filtered, and searched to keep track on all your measurements and samples. Interested in automating your lab? Check out the demo version and quick start guide available on our homepage.